a narrow little field, isn't it?
Very narrow.
Hillsdale traffic, Skylane 2 Whiskey Papa on a 1 mile final for 10 Hillsdale. Lenawee County traffic, Skylane 2 Whiskey Papa, short final for 05 Lenawee County.
Alright, I'm going to try to do this on the go, but leave the carb heat on because it was stalling on me last time, so let's see what happens here. Alright, flaps up. Full power with carb heat on. Now I'll turn carb heat off. There we go, that's the connection on cold weather. And we're back in the air. So that's it, you got to have the carb heat on when you're taking off on cold weather. Otherwise it stalls. And rotate. Flaps up, carb heat's going to stay on. Gunning it. Carb heat's off. And we are in the air again. Just like that, easy as pie. Did it again. Did it again. Did it again. Feel that? It didn't have the power when I went to kick it on. I think it's just because it's really cold out. I'm going to have to try that on the next one more time. I think if I ease the power in, it'll be fine, but this doesn't like to have the throttle kicked on hard. Hear that the way? Name of this airport?
Branch?
Branch Memorial, Skylane 2 Whiskey Papa is on short final for 07 Branch Memorial.
Full. Alright, we're going to try to make this a touch and go. I don't run on a runway first. Alright, carb heat's in. Gun it. Here we go. Not going to gun it. Going to gun it. I didn't like the sound of that. Hear that? It's against. Number 2. Oh yeah. We're making power now. Oh yeah, look at that. Feel that power. Snapping your head back. And we're in the air, honey.